Look at this image of this rock star launching his website. Yes, in this lesson, we're going to discuss how you can launch your website like a boss. Listen, social media is rented space. Platforms can delete your account, block your reach, or shut down tomorrow. But your website, oh, that's digital real estate. If you're serious about being seen, paid, and respected, you need more than an Instagram page. You need a professional website that works for you 24/7. This audio ebook is your blueprint to building a site that attracts clients, builds trust, and makes money. Here's the first step. You have to choose the right platform. Your platform should match your goals, not just your budget. WordPress is a platform that I utilize. It allows you or your website creator to create flexible, scalable websites that are great for long-term businesses. Is another great option. They provide all-in-one sleek templates that are easy to use even for newbies. If you're selling products, yes, you can have a site or e-commerce. If you're thinking about selling products online, you can consider a site like Shopify. However, I will warn you that in addition to having a Shopify site, you still need to have your own domain. Remember, ownership is power. You can get a domain from Wix or Weebly, yes. So not only will they help you create your website with beginner-friendly designs, but you can actually house your domain there. So if you don't know what a domain is the name. So for example, bossnurseacademy.com. That in itself is the domain name. And then on top of that, you add a hosting package. So you can actually reserve the domain without paying for hosting. So I just need for you to start. And if you don't have the funds right now, let's start with the simplest thing. Let's get the domain name. Let's get that done. And then over time, you can scale and add hosting. So boss tip, don't overthink it. Pick one that fits your needs right now and upgrade later. Step 2, secure your digital address. I kind of talked about this prematurely, but it's still important. Domain and hosting. Think of your domain name like your storefront sign. Make it short and easy to spell, reflective of your brand, preferably a .com, but also a .co or .io work too. Hosting is where your site lives, so choose a reliable provider with strong security. For the bossnurseacademy.com website, I have hosting through GoDaddy, and GoDaddy is super inexpensive. Here's another boss tip. Own your name before someone else does. That includes your personal name. Buy it even if you're not ready to use it yet. Step 3, build the must-have pages. Every boss website needs the following. A home. That is the first page that people are going to go to. So that's your digital handshake. And it needs to have clear brand messaging. You're going to need an about page. Share your story and credibility. I was invited to a function, and when I scanned the QR code, I immediately went for the about page because the name didn't tell me anything about the function. And guess what? They didn't have an about page. So you know what? I didn't go to the function. I couldn't support what I did not understand. So consider that. Let people know your why. Let them know about you. Share your story and your credibility. A boss website also needs services and products, what you offer and why it matters. Remember, we're always speaking to the client's pain points, and we're going to add value to address every issue they have. How will they contact you? Yes, you have to have contact information on your website. More than that, you actually have to be responsive. Look, if you're not answering your phones, if you don't have anyone following up on your emails, you're going to lose a customer. So make sure the contact information that you have, you're actually going back and following up with your lead. Legal pages. Do you have a privacy policy, terms, disclaimers? What do you have that's going to protect you and your business? Another boss tip, a website without SEO is like a store in the desert. So I need for you to make it discoverable. Step 5, design with your customers in mind. Remember, your website is not about you. It's about the people you serve. So use colors and fonts consistent with your brand. Make navigation simple, 3 clicks max to get anywhere. Use clear calls to action such as book now, shop here, join the list, and also make sure that you look at your website on different devices. You must have a mobile first design because most people will visit from their phone. So, although you may be creating the website on your laptop or your personal computer, you need to look at the mobile view also to make sure that everything looks appropriate. Don't confuse cute with profitable. Design for conversions, not for compliments. Step 6, tools that bosses use. That's right. You know I got you. Yes, we're going to use Canva to create our graphics, our logos, and our banners. Don't forget ConvertKit and MailerLite. Remember all of those emails that you're going to be gathering and your client data. It is so important for you to be collecting this data so that you can reach out to your warm leads. You can also check your Google Analytics. You need to track your visitors and your growth. It will even tell you the terms that your clients use to find your services. Zapier automates tasks. And so once you have your team, you want to delegate tasks, don't forget to incorporate Zapier. Here are 5 boss up nuggets. Social media is rented space. Your website is ownership. Keep your website simple, clean, and professional. That always beats busy and flashy. Secure your domain name ASAP. Remember, a domain plus a trademark if possible. SEO, search engine optimization, is your silent salesperson. Allow the algorithm to help you attract customers. And then lastly, your website should guide visitors to action, not just look pretty. Final word, your website isn't just a page on the internet, it's your digital headquarters. Done right, it can build your brand, attract clients, and generate money while you sleep. So let me ask you this. Are you ready to stop renting space on social media and start owning your own digital empire? Oh, we're teaching you that plus so much more in our Boss Nurse Academy Masterclass. I'll see you in class, and I'll also help you create your website. Yes!